Hello and welcome to Why. I currently have a lab journal functionality built out for my acne experiment. I'll walk you through how I use it every day. First thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I upload a photo of the left side of my face and the right side of my face, which is then graded by an acne severity model that I trained myself based on a data set of 1,600 images labeled by a dermatologist. My score for today is a 9.93, which isn't very good. So the score ranges from 0 being bad acne to 100 being clear skin. But what this does is it provides me an objective measure of how I'm doing, how my variables are actually correlating to the outcome that I'm looking for, right? Simple, moving on, profile page, log out, delete account, nothing crazy there. Here we have a chart view so you can see score over time. And what you can see here is that my score's actually gone down over time, which has caused me to pivot. So I have actually decided to change up my protocol a little bit. I have some things I want to change up, more on that in a second. Here we have the upload screen where I upload what I'm doing. So one of the pivots I made was instead of washing my face in the morning with white willow diluted in jojoba oil, I'm just going to wash it with the white willow extract. So I'm just going to write that. So wash, white, I use WW for short, right? And then I rub pineapple on my face. So that's meant to mimic salicylic acid, and then the pineapple is like glycolic acid. So two separate washes, submit it. Next, we have the meat and potatoes of this app, which is the journal itself. You can see today is May 30th. I have my score right there at the top. Easy to see, color correlated. It turns green if you get closer to 100. Haven't achieved that yet, but working on it. So I skipped breakfast. I had some milk thistle as a supplement, and then I washed my face with the white willow pineapple. You can see my selfies there, and you can see a photo of the milk thistle. So what's to come is that we want this to be simple for the users, so they just upload what they want, and we handle organizing that data. So we would then tag the milk thistle as a supplement, for example, and then learn and be able to connect users who are using the same supplements. Or, for example, the washes, white willow. Everyone else who's using white willow, we could then form a data set with that, track how those people's scores are doing over time, and so on and so forth. Those past three screens, so the uploading the selfies, the profile, and the chart over time, will all be snapped to the top of this screen, so they'll all be in one home within your specific journal. And then back on the home page, we'll start to implement social features. So it'll be a community feed where you can kind of explore other people's protocols working on the same experiment. So if I'm washing with pineapple, maybe some people are washing with sugarcane. That's another common source of glycolic acid. So then beyond that, we'll have a search. So then you can search for those protocols, a big search page. You can search for other users and so on, fairly standard stuff. And then finally, a chat. So you can message users and learn what they're doing. So far, I have it built out for my own acne experiment, but the long-term vision is to then be able to use that for all sorts of different health problems and create the social features. So I look forward to this adventure, and hopefully you guys will be along for the ride.